If you're looking for an action plan, the 5W2H model can be a great solution because it is an extremely effective management tool, straightforward to understand and easy to apply. It works for all types of business. This way, you can achieve your goals and objectives in an efficient and organized way. So discover now the 5W2H action plan, what it is, examples,
and why you must use this tool.
What does 5W2H mean? This acronym comes from English, formed by the initials of the 7 guidelines that guide us. The 5W are what will be done.
You need to show which idea will be implemented.
What will be done in this action plan? Why will it be done? In other words, why are we working and developing this plan? What is the reason for this work? Where will it be done? Where will this plan be executed and in what environment? Will it be at a physical or virtual address, for example? When will it be done? When will the task be completed and delivered?
When will be your deadline?
Who? By whom will it be done? In other words, who will be the responsible person for each task? And the true H is how. How will it be done? How is the process that will be implemented? What will be your step-by-step guide or flowchart that will implement this action plan? How much? How much will it cost? What budget will be needed to carry out this task? With the answers to these 7 points, you will have your action plan drawn up coherently and concisely, a map of activities to be carried out and fulfilled. And what are its benefits? The 5W28 model is very simple and straight to the point. Mainly when controlling your project tasks. It will organize your management of each phase of your project. Furthermore, it will optimize your time and resources. It will bring much more productivity to your processes. Create synergy between those responsible for each activity. This way, everyone knows their responsibilities and the deadlines for delivering each task. To show how to develop an action plan using the 5W2H model, let's take an example and do it together during this video.
Imagine that you are thinking
about setting up an online clothing store, and during your strategic planning, or even your business plan, you define 2 tasks for a given moment, which it could be these 2 simple examples. 1. Development of a website to sell clothes together with a sales system. 2. Setting up your brand's advertising campaign. In general, this model can be made in the spreadsheet or table. Considering these 2 simple examples, let's fill in this table for each of these topics. 1. Website development. What will be done? Creation of the brand's website with the sales system. Why will it be done? It will be the base where consumers can visit the brand, learn about the products, make purchases, and increase the company's revenue. Where will it be done? Online via the company's internet. We can even be more specific and include the server name and registered URL, for example. Server XYZ at URL myexamplestore.com. When will it be done? From July 7th to August 7th. Who will it be done by? It will be done by Patricia, a partner at the company, and Pedro, the technology manager. How will it be done? By hiring a website development agency called Website Agency, fictitious name. How much will it cost?
$2,500 paid in cash.
2. Setting up the campaign. What will be done? Development of the advertising campaign for the online clothing store. Why will it be done? Increase brand awareness and consequently attract potential customers to the website to make some type of purchase. Where will it be done? On the brand's social media, such as Instagram and Facebook, and also in partnerships with blogs and influencers specialized in fashion. When will it be done? From July 7th to July 27th. Who will it be done by? Anna, who is one of the company's partners. How will it be done? Through the advertising agency called MN, fictitious name. How much will it cost? $3,000. These were just 2 very simple examples to try to illustrate to you how to develop a 5W2H action plan. See how simple it is? The idea here is to be really practical and straight to the point. The more objective you are, the more productive your action plan will be. And then it's up to you to adapt it in the best way that fits your type of business. This is the Model 5W2H. Just to recap what we said here. On what is Model 5W2H, which is composed of 7 items? What will be done? Why will it be done? Where will it be done? When will it be done? Who will it be done by? How will it be done? How much will it cost? 2. Examples of how to develop it. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to know more about how to set up and manage your own business, visit our YouTube channel where we have several videos about this subject, and if you liked it, share this video with your friends and family to help them too. Thanks and see you next time.